Some historians say that Soichiro Honda is the inventor of dirt bike because he popularized them. However, the more accurate answer is that Siegfried Betamin invented the dirt bike in 1994. Betamin invention is the first true attempt to take motorcycles off of the main roads and onto rugged territories. In today's video, we are gonna see Crossfire HJ250 price and specification in Nepal. For more informative videos of bike and cars, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And without further delay, let's start today's topic. The Crossfire HJ250 was launched in Nepal about a year ago and holds the most expensive price tag among Crossfire models. Soulful Motor Private Limited, the authorized distributors of Crossfire bikes in Nepal, bought the bike in the country, and it didn't take a long time to grab all the attention. A lot of people were exhilarated by the unique color combination of the bike and the unbeatable performance in its segment. The successor of the GR7, HJ250 comes with a lot of refined changes on the looks, power, efficiency, mileage and so on. Coming through design, the exterior of HJ250 shares a lot of resemblance to the KTM 500 EXE, but it does not fail to stand on its identity. The color combination of orange, white and black does not read good, but when seen by the eye, it looks stunning. The powerful beast has orange treatment on multiple parts which make it eye-catching. However, Crossfire doesn't offer CNS parts with orange treatment such as front suspension cover, magnet cover, gear lever, chain cover, swing arm cover and clutch set among others when buying the bike. Buyers will have to get it separately and are available in the Crossfire showroom. The HJ250 claims to be an improved and improvised version that its predecessors, while few details remain unchanged. For instance, the HJ250 features the same digital instrument display as GR7 with a white text on the black background. It displays RPM, speed, gear indicator, odometer and newly added battery volt. Similarly, the HZC silencer pipe is unchanged. The silencer pipe is a bit reversed on the inside that benefits riders to be safe from the burns. The HJ250 features a foldable and adjustable clutch lever, which is smooth as well, soft touch response, providing immediate response to the bike and guaranteed to not break during any kind of mishaps. Coming through electricals, the lead headlamp is sharp enough to illuminate the whole journey even in gloomy territories and ensure safety. The lead tail lamp is sleek with improved visibility that makes it easier to spot the brakes from a far distance. The side indicators also come in lead to reduce the risk with taking a turn. The HJ250 is available in two variants, dirt and moderate. The sole difference between two variants is the tires. The Crossfire HJ250 dirt uses mud terrain tires while Crossfire HJ250 moderate uses street tires. Talking to dimension, the dimension of the HJ250 measures 2320 mm in length, 1300 mm in height and 830 mm in width. The seat height can be reduced by half inch in the showroom of Crossfire. However, the suspension will be cut down in order to reduce the seat height to more than half inch and the buyer will lose the warranty of the bike. The HJ250 has a dry weight of 109 kg, which compared to other dirt bikes is very less. The lightweight HJ250 makes the maneuverability smooth as butter. The wheelbase stands at 1500 mm and the ground clearance measures 330 mm, which is pretty decent for the dirt bikes. The fuel capacity of the bike is 10 liters. Jumping through engine, the HJ250 is equipped with 249.6cc liquid-cooled compact engine which generates 30.15 bhp of max power at 9000 rpm and 22.5 Nm of max torque at 7000 rpm. The bike can be started with both electric and kick options. The compression ratio stands at 11:6:1 and displacement at 249cc. It comes with a 6-speed gearbox option. The carburetor fueling system have been refined compared to its competitors to deliver durability and reliability. The newly designed fueling system helps to increase fuel efficiency and mileage. The HJ250 comes with a liquid cooling system with double radiators covered by air circulating covers and an assisting fan that ensures the engine stays cool, with which you enjoy your long rides. The overflow coolant supervisor present in HJ250 ensures the coolant is used efficiently. Talking to suspension and braking system, The front suspension uses a telescopic cartridge type compression and rebounds adjustable that have a travel of 12.12 inches. Meanwhile, the rear suspension includes CNC linkage spring preloaded adjustable compression rebounds that has a travel of 11.81 inches. The refined suspension makes the ride smooth and easy where you can't even feel the small puddles. The rebound and compression adjustability is designed in a way to deliver superior damping performance in all kinds of terrains. The braking system, on the other hand, includes a front dual piston caliper and the rear single piston caliper SZC braking, making the bike stop instantly but smoothly. The suspension and braking used in the SZ250 are claimed to be much better than its competitors. Coming through Crossfire SZ250 price, the buyers will have to pay Rs 6,45,000 rupees in Nepalese market. Compared to its competitors GR7, SZ250 is slightly expensive but it is worth to be buy. The SZ250 comes in all overall upgrade package in terms of authentic design, premium feel, power, braking, suspension and many more. If you are looking for one of the best dirt bike in its segment, the SZ250 is best for you. That's much in today's video. If you guys love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.